Whether you want a cheery greeting, a funny phrase, or a seasonal design, painting your own front door painting your own front door mat makes personalization possible. My first guest says a hand-painted doormat is the perfect way to showcase your style before guests even step inside. Michelle Bauer is here to show us how to make our one-of-a-kind welcome mat. Michelle, welcome to Studio 5.
So
welcome
good to
back.
See you.
We love you.
Yes,
and
thank you.
Your beautiful brain when it comes to crafting. I was telling you, I've seen these. I think I haven't really thought I could do it, but you say we can do it.
It's so easy,
Yeah.
and you know what? It's practical because you're going to use it.
You're going to use it.
You're going to use it.
And it's adorable.
It is, and I know myself, the one thing that I change out on my porch every year is a new doormat. And this is so fun because you can customize it. It can match, you can make it match your outdoor decor and your wreath.
You're not limited to the aisles of Target or Amazon 2-day ship. You get to be completely on your own. Tell us what supplies we need for this.
Okay, you need very few supplies, which makes it fabulous. Okay, so we have our paint. You need double-sided carpet tape.
Okay, kind of a surprise there.
Yep. If you want to make your own stencil, if you have a Cricut machine, the Silhouette, or the Caesar, you'll need some stencil material. If not, you can just buy your stencils, stencil brushes, and your mat.
And your mat. So where did you get your mat?
Okay, I like the mats from IKEA.
Oh, I've heard about these.
Yes, so
it feels like a good size.
It's a good size, and it seems more dense and more durable. The backing has a rubber backing. A lot of them, I've seen at different craft stores, I'm not gonna name any, but they seem more flimsy and they fall apart more easily. So for 10 bucks, go to IKEA.
Go to IKEA. I think I'm just looking at it. It feels different. It doesn't feel small. It feels robust. It's going to fill up your porch. And for 10 bucks, I don't think you can do any better.
Heck no.
Okay, so if we don't have a Cricut machine, where are you buying your stencils?
Okay, you can get your stencils on Amazon, craft stores, Temu, pretty much anywhere.
Get them anywhere.
And
Get them anywhere.
you might already have one, so.
Okay, listen, I am definitely a stencil girl. I would not trust myself to freehand, but some people do. Tell us where we go. What would we start with? How are we completing this project?
Okay, so the first thing we need is the doormat. And I have a little bit of trivia for you. Do you know what these are called or how to say it?
No.
Okay, it's spelled C-O-I-R.
Okay.
Okay, but it's coir.
Coir.
I always called it core, but I looked it up last night. It's coir.
You looked it up. Google told you what it was called.
Yeah, they did. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is grab your stencil, and these doormats are going to look cuter. You pick a design, and then you have 3 different sizes of the same design.
Rule of threes.
Rule of threes, there we go. And then after you have your stencils, you're gonna grab your double-sided carpet tape.
This is where the carpet tape comes in.
And I picked that up off of Amazon, and the brand is Trazon.
Okay.
And I'm gonna link everything on my Instagram too. But what you wanna do is just cut little pieces of the carpet tape, and you don't have to cover the whole thing, just put it, just so it sticks in place. So just one in between each petal.
Yeah.
And then after that, we're gonna stick it down.
Are you working in like halves of the rug? Like I'm gonna do this half, or like how are you all laying it out so it feels cohesive too? Are you just going with the flow?
I'm going with the flow.
She's going with the flow. She's going with the flow.
And I'm putting as many stencils as I can at one time that fit.
Yep.
Like the word hello won't fit right now with the flower, so I'll probably do that last. So, yep. And you can see I've used this stencil before. You can reuse them, even though just wait for the paint to dry. But yeah, and reuse the tape. They'll stick right down.
Is this normal paint you're using?
Okay,
what is this paint?
Good question. So you can use any kind of paint. You could use craft paint, but I feel like that's indoor-outdoor paint from Home Depot. It's the Bear brand, and it's flat. I've tried it with the craft paint, but you're using so much of it that really it's more economical to use one of these.
Interesting. And you can pick exactly what color you want.
Yeah, have them mix it up. I think those were $7 each. And yeah, indoor, outdoor, it's gonna have longevity on your porch. Let's
Can
go.
we do it?
Let's do it. Do you want to do it?
I do.
Okay, let's do it.
I want to do it.
Okay, so
What's my technique here?
you're just gonna pounce and just kind of hold the edges in like this.
Oh, so that you have a clean line.
Yep.
Okay.
And these are really forgiving. Like I kind of just glob the paint on.
Oh, so
and
you're just saying go for it.
yeah, go for it. And you're gonna want to do 2 to 3 coats. Let it dry in between.
I was gonna say it seems like I don't have like the opaqueness of what you've got going on.
Yep. You
So
want
a couple coats.
Couple coats. Let it dry in between. You know, 4 or 5 hours or something like that.
Get your hands dirty. So you're doing a couple coats. You're drying it in between.
Uh-huh.
And then once it's all dry, am I sealing this? What am I doing? How am I making this last?
Okay, this is totally optional, but I picked up this sealer. It's called Flex Seal at Home Depot.
Yeah, I've heard of this.
You spray it over the entire rug, even the parts that you haven't painted, and it's gonna put a sealer on the paint and gives the whole rug a waterproof coating.
Oh my gosh, so this is going to last. It's not only fun, it's gonna last.
It's gonna last, yep.
What other tips? Did I miss anything? What do you think is important when it comes to the rug?
When you're stenciling, okay.
Is this loud? I'm like, just really committed to this rug.
Okay, don't peel the stencil up in between coats. Leave it there till you have all the coats on, and then peel it up, and then you can move it again to a different area.
Oh, Michelle.
I'm trying else.
I mean, this is so simple. It's so cute. I can't wait to do this. I told you I have a craft group. This is going to be on our docket for sure, the way you've dressed it up, the way you've done everything. Michelle, we love you. Where can we follow along more with you?
Okay, go to my Instagram page, @_thepinklemon, and I'm also holding a workshop for these rugs. I made it super simple. All you have to do is show up. I pick up everything for you. You pick the rug that you want, the style, and all the information is on my Instagram.
Oh, what a fun workshop. Totally worth it. Thanks so much, friend.
Thank you.